Greetings, my lovelies. Welcome to the channel. I want to take this time out to welcome all of our new subscribers. Yes, there's been quite a few of you, and thank you for reaching out to us and leaving us a comment. A special acknowledgement to the long-standing subscribers that have been supporting the channel from day one. Thank you for your continuous support. We appreciate you. Shout out to Bryce and the family over in Australia. That Tesco vlog is coming soon. And at the same time, I like to shout out the brother in Timson's. Much love to you always. Yes. I'm so glad you shared with me that you enjoyed the Stratford vlog. So today we are out and about in town. I'm going to step back and see if you can see the full attire. Outfit for today is a little Shein number, and we're going with seasonal green, a bit of a mint green contrasted with metallic and black, and it's satin throughout, as well as some black sandals with a bit of bling. Let me see, maybe if I perch myself right here you'll be able to see it. Okay, and to set out the outfit, yes, we're going with the green velvet jacket to just go over it. Again, the jewelry came custom made from Coombe Abbey. During my stay, I purchased a few pieces, and yeah, this set with the earrings is part of it. So thank you, and shout out to the staff down at Coombe Abbey. Okay, so we're hoping to take you with me. The first part, we're going to enjoy our journey across London, yeah, but this time is a little bit more interesting. I'm hoping we're going to go through Camden. Now, if you know London, you know Camden is always lively, all right? So again, to accompany the outfit, we've got not one but two bags. So this one is to go with the attire, and this one, it has my vlogging equipment, but at the same time it matches, so I'll get away with that. It is hot. Yesterday we had one of the hottest time of the year, and today it is quite humid, so we're going to just set it off, protect our eyes from the UV lights, although in the summer I know I'm a bit bold. I like sun gaze. Also, you can close your eyes and it's still piercing through your eyelids, but I wouldn't recommend it though. And don't go sitting out there without your necessary sun cream. I don't really need any. All right, so guys, without further ado, see you in a mo while we make our journey across London. So guys, the route we've decided to take is by Hampstead. Unfortunately, Camden was slightly congested at this time of rush hour. Hampstead is full of historical buildings and famous ones. Here's one coming up with a blue plaque outside. Have a lovely day. So guys, the Uber driver is playing some beautiful Afrobeats music and it's got me rocking to the beat. So guys, I hope you've enjoyed the journey so far. We have almost arrived at our destination. Bridge there on your right hand side. Sure. We have arrived at Haringey Green Lane. We're just going to spin around so I can exit the vehicle. Oh my goodness! Oh wow! I don't know. I should have jumped out just on the opposite side. This is it.